Hey guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the Fourth Element Xerotherm long sleeve top. So Xerotherm material is a thermal base layer. So it's basically made to be worn underneath your undersuit just to boost its thermal capacity. Or you can wear it by itself if the weather's warm enough in the summertime. You can wear it by itself as an undersuit. So this material was originally designed for NASA. It's that good at sort of wicking moisture away from you that you actually stay really nice and warm whilst you're wearing it. It's plenty flexible as well, so you have full range of motion whilst you're in it. And yeah, you can wear it as a base layer. It's nice and thin. It's not going to add too much bulk to your undersuit. So yeah, it's a good all-rounder. Taking a closer look, starting up around the neck, so we have a rolled section of the internal plush lining. So this material is what the inside of the suit is covered in. This is nice and soft, and because they rolled it over, it's not going to rub up around your neck, so that's going to stay nice and comfortable. Flat lock stitching throughout, so and that's on the inside as well, so that's nice and soft. There's not going to be any kind of rubbing points because you're supposed to wear this directly against your skin, and that's where that plush lining is going to wick the moisture away from you very, very effectively. Big open panels, as you can see, so you increase that flexibility. Moving down to the bottom of the arms, around the cuffs, you can see we have little thumb loops. So these are going to help you get your dry suit on and stop this sleeve from riding up. Just make sure that once it's through your dry suit seal that you take that off, otherwise it's going to break that seal. It's quite a long shirt as well, so that ensures that you get plenty of sort of crossover, so you don't have any exposed patches on your midriff whilst you're diving, so you're always covered at all points, especially on the torso. Turning it around, much the same, nice subtle design, just Xerotherm across the back, and if I just show you the inside quickly, you can see that plush lining. So very, very soft against your skin. What that does is it wicks moisture away from you, moves it to the outside of the suit, and then it can evaporate away from that. And that's what keeps you dry, and that's what keeps you nice and comfortable and warm whilst you're in the water. So it's a fantastic thermal base layer. You can wear it itself as a very thin undersuit if you're diving in warm waters. This is the Fourth Element Xerotherm top. Thanks for watching and safe diving.
We are an online dive store serving the UK and the world for all your diving equipment needs. So why not visit us at simplyscuba.com or click the box on your screen.